Okay, so I made over around $100,000 off of YouTube Shorts, and I'm gonna show you proof that it's real. So I'm gonna go down here in settings, and yep, it's USA right there. And all you want to do is press settings again. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. You want to get shilling, and yeah, that's all the proof I have, honestly. But I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to actually make money off of YouTube automation. So on Shorts, so this is the Shorts version. So I know a lot of people are like honestly long form editions, but this is the Shorts, honestly. So we have a perfect niche right here, and as you can see, it's the commentary niche. The commentary niche is actually really good. People really enjoy it too. So, and you also might need trending audios. You will also really need trending audios on this niche, and the reason why is because that you hear trending audio and then you hear a song, same exact song. And another one is you need a good hook for Shorts, and let me give you a good example. Like, does this guy make it out or something like that, or like, does this woman see this and that, this girl about to start to life? Yeah, you get what I'm saying. It goes along and along. Man, it's pretty simple to make, honestly. And where do you find the clips? This is where people don't really actually show you. Where do you find the clips? You get the clips from TikTok and Instagram. That's where you get it from. And most important part to get monetized off of YouTube Shorts is the voiceover, and it takes a little bit of skills on it. And you also might need a little bit creativity on it too. So yeah. And another one is, how many times do you have to post on YouTube Shorts? You can only post around like 3 videos a day. If you could do 3 videos a day, it's actually financially really good. The first 3 videos, you might not get like a little bit of attention on the views. Like, I'm gonna give you a good example. So I can see, as you can see right here, I've been having like around 500, and then I started boosting up, and it just keeps on going and going and going. I gave up at this part because I think I got demonetized of that once, and I started like gaining a lot, and then yeah, a lot, and it goes on and on and on. And yeah, that's how you can actually manage to get money off of this. Honestly, the RPM on this is actually really low. So between Shorts and long forms, honestly 100% prefer long forms more than this, because this is just a lot of work ethic. This is just a lot of 59 seconds, and you just no channels are actually hard, but all channels are actually hard. So many of them, and it's just interesting. And yeah, so what are the chances for you to succeed on Shorts? Honestly, I would give it a 50-50, because Shorts pays you a little bit, but when you have a lot of views on it, it honestly depends how much you can gain off of it. It honestly depends how much you can post on it. It honestly depends how, like, how you willing to do it, how brain rot you're able to do it. You get what I'm saying? Like, it takes a lot of like fucking transitions and shit. It takes a lot of movements and shit. Like, can this guy do this and this and that, or like a lot of sound effects, a lot of you get what I'm saying. But Shorts is like, it's for brain rot for kids, man. They just watch that shit and then just brain dead your freaking mind and crap. So yeah. For transcript, you can use, I don't even know, like ChatGPT or Cloudy. You could use one of those two, Cloudy or ChatGPT. You could just ask them like, this video, this and this and that. Or you could just use the YouTube translator, and it will actually translate, the script on it. So I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to do it too. Okay, so all you want to do is try to find a video that you like to copy and paste. All you want to do is just copy. Just copy and paste here. And yeah, there you go. You have the full transcript right here. But you cannot copy off of this, so I'm gonna let you know this, guys. You cannot copy off of this unless if you actually find the original video. Yes, you could just remake the script and shit. If you remake the script, and if you make that video 10 times much better than the other Shorts, than that video, then you eventually just gain more views. And this is the good financial advice for you guys, honestly. If you can copy someone else, so like let's say this one, for example, as I was saying, is that you can copy the transcript also. If you find the original clip on this one on TikTok, or it could be Instagram, it could be each one. But if you get this transcript, if you paste it on Cloudy, if you tell him to remake it, tell it to remake it, and yeah, you just eventually just bloom out like around 100K. views eventually, just boom. Because not a lot of people are like, not a lot of people are like really interested about this video, but like people don't really care if you copy someone else unless if it's something different, you know. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching. I think I might make another tutorial on how to, make the videos like these, but I'll see how I do it from now on. But yeah, as I was saying, thank you guys for watching. Honestly, this is the most shortest video I have ever done, honestly. So like and subscribe and comment if you want me to make a tutorial on how to do this. I'll actually eventually do it. It's gonna be like a minute. It's gonna be like a minute or like 4 minutes. I don't know, it depends, or maybe like 5 minutes. I don't even know. But if you guys are actually really interested in doing this and ripping it off, doing this, making around 100K off of YouTube automations, you guys recommend to sign in my link in the description, or you can sign in my link in my bio, also on my profile and my channel. And yeah, with that being said, thank you guys for watching.